Dear fellow librarians, welcome to the Cobal 11. My name is Tuuliki Tõiste and I am greeting you on behalf of the Estonian Librarians Association. Greetings to Latvia, Lithuania, Finland, Sweden and via Germany also to IFLA. Today we know that we have some listeners from India, Belarus, Brazil and Greece. Greetings also to all the Estonians who are watching us. Happy Congress to everyone. The Congress of Baltic Librarians has a long history. It was first held in Riga in 1930. In every 5 years, the Congress has been held in a different Baltic country. In 2020, it is Estonians' turn again. We actually planned a 2-day face-to-face event in Tartu, but as you know, 2020 has been a very special year, and the Mother Nature has made her corrections. Our Congress, which has always meant meeting librarians from other countries, communicating and sharing, has got a new form. We have to cooperate and express ourselves through e-channels. It has been quite intense work arranging this Congress since March this year, and I would like to thank everyone who participated in that. About the libraries and librarians, it is admirable how smart and concentrated to users' needs librarians are. Closed doors of the libraries did not mean that people could not use library services. Libraries opened their e-channels to continue with storytelling hours for both young and old. Trainings and workshops were arranged via web. I really liked the idea that library was, despite of the closed doors, still a place to meet and communicate. For example, people who were home alone could gather to the library via web and find new friends from the library's chat room. Library made it possible for them to feel connected to the outer world. Librarians feel very clearly how important libraries are in the society. Librarians have said that during the lockdown, most of all, they missed the readers, everyday users of a library and communicating with them. Just before the lockdown, we finished questionnaire for Baltic librarians. To the question, what are the most important skills and qualities of a librarian, most people answered, you have to cope with changes and learn fast. This crisis is perfect for learning and rethinking library services, library space, and role of the librarians. It should be seen as a possibility to increase the impact and importance of libraries in the society. I hope you will get new ideas and learn from colleagues today, and this new knowledge helps you to make your library a better place. Hope to meet you all again in the end of today's Congress. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Colleagues and participants from other countries, dear librarians and library friends. I am the president of Library Association of Latvia, and it's a great pleasure to meet and greet you in this 11th Congress of Baltic Librarians today. I remember how we started to plan this Congress. There was no idea that it will end such a way, that it will be a first online Congress in the history of our Congress tradition. I express the greatest gratitude and best compliments to the Library Association of Estonia for all efforts made in the organization of the Congress. But I want also to say that the Library Associations of Latvia and Lithuania have also contributed, mainly when it comes to the content of the Congress. Only thanks to the work of all of us, we will have the opportunity to enjoy such a good and interesting program today, to learn new and interesting experience, listen to inspiring stories, get ideas for daily work, and stuff for reflections about our future. The aim of Baltic Librarians Congresses is experience exchange, so that us librarians of the closest neighboring countries, who has a common history and similar mindset, could inspire each other for development and growth to make our libraries better and librarians more professional. So much is said about the role and impact of libraries in society, but most of all, we can show it with our work and stories about that. And today we will hear some of these stories. We cannot enjoy informal face-to-face communication, which always is the special value of such conferences. But we can get a feeling of common experience exchange to make the world a better place, because this is the greatest impact of libraries. I wish you good luck and a nice day.
Hello, dear colleagues. Greetings from Lithuania, from Vilnius. First of all, I thank my Estonian colleagues for the great job they have done in organizing this Congress. Of course, it would be been a lot more fun to meet everyone in Tartu. This stage is different than on our normal life have been so far. It is full of challenges and opportunities. The speakers of Lithuanian TIV present your accumulated experience, and I am sure that it will be interesting and useful for you. The next Cobalt Congress in 2025 will take place in Lithuania. I hope that we will be able to meet everyone live, and the situation in 2020 will already be forgotten, and the challenges in libraries will be great. And the artificial intelligence will help us to organize this Congress. Let's spend this time well and useful. Thank you.